So let's log in here to the back office, where I'm gonna show you some information. Now, as I already mentioned before, to change the binary side, so now this one is set to go to the left. If I want to go to the right, I click here. This is the number of users I have on my left. This is the number of users I have on my right. Points. This is binary points, not career points. The career points I can see over here, because that is taken from my left side, the smallest one. This is the points that I have today. So it means that once binary runs, I'm gonna get $20. Now let's go dashboard as the first. Plans. If you first sign in and you want to select a plan for you to upgrade or for you to buy, this is where you go. Then we have the robots. This is the live trades. As you can see here, those are the live trades that they are doing right now, and those are the prices for the coins at the moment. This is the profit of last day, 33, 1.6, that's what was paid, and this is for the 7 days and for the 30 days. Then we come to the network, where you can click on binary. Then you have your main account at the top. Then you have the right, left, and all the accounts. You can click on one of the accounts and you will go inside so you can see more. Here you can search for a user. For example, let's search for this one. So it goes straight there, you see. And you also have unilevel. So you've got only level, so you can check level 2, level 3, and I don't have anything on level 4 yet. You can also check nominees, those are your direct sponsored. Next one is financial, so you go for the history. You see here I've got residual gain, binary bonus, you have daily gain. For example, this account I don't get daily gains, I get residual only because I'm getting from, and I get direct. Here is from Elijah, Vero Young, just paid her account today, so I got 6% of $100, and those are my withdrawals. Next one is invoices, so there is none. This is leader's account, so there is no return of investment. It's a $1,000 account activated, but that's the only invoices we have. And here we have the withdrawal, so just put the amount there and withdraw. I don't have enough yet because the withdrawal minimum is $50. And we have here the withdrawal reports, the ones I already did for 66, for 505, and 57. And here's the transaction hash, you can check everything. So support is where you click to open a new ticket, and settings is where you go to change your information of your profile, phone number, wallet, country, name, and so on. And change your password, it's over here. That's where you could put your current password, the new one, and repeat. And in your profile is where you set up second factor authentication. So if I click here, enable second factor, and I click next, I have to scan this QR code from my cell phone, put the number that it's going to generate there, and click on next to pair it, to synchronize. Then we have here materials and the PDFs that you can download. They're in many languages, and that's it. That's the whole tour of the back office. On the dashboard you have many information like the balance, total profit, the percentage, if you are qualified or not, your plan, and that's it. Thanks for watching.